What is the value of the expression? 10 minus open parentheses 48 divided by 6 times 4. Close parentheses and multiply by 3 to the power of 2. This expression is so tricky that 99% of people get the wrong answer. Let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people first go straight to the parentheses and start with the division between 48 and 6. 48 divided by 6 equals to 8. So they rewrite this expression as 10 minus 8 times 4 inside the parentheses, and then multiply by 3 to the power of 2. And the next step they perform the multiplication between 8 and 4. And 8 times 4 equals to 32. And simplify this expression to 10 minus 32 times 3 to the power of 2. Then they move on to the subtraction between 10 and 32. That equals to 22. And with the greater value there is negative sign. And they write this expression as minus 22 times 3 to the power of 2. And the final step they go to the exponent and replace this expression 3 times 3 equals 9. Then bring down the remaining values as it is. And the final step they do is that they multiply 22 with 9, that equals to 198. But that answer is absolutely wrong. As you can see on the screen and in this expression, first you have a subtraction sign, then parentheses. After that we have a multiplication sign and finally an exponent. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS in this rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We should perform these operations exactly in order from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS, okay? So we must start with the parentheses first because parentheses have the highest priority compared to all other operations. And inside the parentheses first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right and perform these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 48 and 6. And it equals to 8. And this expression simplifies to 8 times 4 inside the parentheses. And bring down the values as it is. Again multiply 3 square. And the next step we perform the multiplication between 8 and 4. And it equals to 32. And write this expression as 10 minus 32 times 3 square. Now, in this expression we have subtraction, multiplication, and an exponent. In the following step it's time to handle the exponent because according to the PEMDAS rule after parenthesis, exponent has the highest priority than the other operations. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And this expression becomes 10 minus 32 times 9. Now we have a subtraction and multiplication. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 32 and 9 because according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So 32 times 9 equals to 288. And finally 10 minus 288 equals to 278. With greater value there is negative sign. So, the final answer to this problem is negative 278. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.